Good afternoon. Today is July 19, 2024. It is Friday. Now, interview with Japet. What's that? Japet for learn experience in OJT. So, tell first your name. Japet, family name, Okta, son name. So, tell when nag-start OJT in Hotel Fortuna. When nag-start? March, start on March 6. So, tell how is your schedule sa work? What time? Morning? Afternoon? 6 sa morning. Arrive. What time arrive? 6. Ready. So, never na late. So, tell always wake up early. 5 a.m. 5. So, from San Fernando. Ba, Andy? San Fernando. So, San Fernando to Borromeo. Put together sa time na 6 to 3:30. Put together na din sa work. Ikaw na. So, different sila schedule sa time. So, what man ang idong ma-work sa hotel room? What man ang idong ma-work? Ganat sa lang. What ang idong? Table. Mag-clean sa table. Kakang sa table. What ang iyan? Vegetable? Or chicken? Chicken. Or vegetable. And meat. Kakang. So always daily magsigan. So one time, so experience nga not easy. Kaya hindi na blood. How na blood man? Wait. Lamaw ko. Ada na lang iyos na pa. Hindi. Yan, low na. Hub cellphone. Video.
Yang mana aku kita
Continue solving